In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a broadcast in Aweber. Broadcasts enable you to schedule your email ahead of time. When you see this, you may be wondering what the difference between a follow-up series and a broadcast is. In a follow-up series, your first email will be sent when visitors subscribe to your mailing list, and it doesn't matter when they subscribe, the sequence will always be the same. Unlike follow-up series, broadcasts require you to set a specific date and time to send out your email. If the visitor subscribes to you after the date and time, they will not be able to receive the email. Without further ado, let's get started. When you've logged into your Aweber account, move your cursor to Messages. You will see the Broadcasts option in the drop-down menu. Click on it and wait for it to load. You will see three options in the Broadcast Messages page: Drag and Drop Email Builder, Plain Text Message, and Code Your Own HTML. I will choose the Drag and Drop Email Builder as an example in this video. First, type your subject line and email. For this example, I will type just a test email in my subject line box. At the right side of the box, you can see there is a Templates button. Click on it to choose your template. I will choose the Plain Center Aligned template for now, and then click on Apply. Moving on, you can see a list of features on the left side of the box. If you need any one of the features, you can drag and drop them to the position you want them to be in. For example, if you want to add video in your email, move your cursor to the video, hold on to it, and drag it to the place you want it to be. And then enter the video URL, title of your video, and the destination URL. You can choose which side you want to align the video to as well. Moving on, I want to teach you how to hyperlink your links in your emails. Select the sentence you want to hyperlink. In this case, I will type, "Click here to find out more." Select the sentence. Find a chain-like button on the top menu bar. Click on it, enter the URL link, and click the OK button. Once you've done with the design, click on the Next button. It will lead you to this page, the sharing page. On this page, you can archive and share your message via social media. This is an optional step, and you can turn it off if you do not wish to share the message via social media. However, if you do want to connect them to your social media, you can turn it on. In the first part, you can publish your broadcast to a web page so your subscribers can view it online. In the second part, you can connect your Aweber to Facebook and Twitter. Once you've linked them together, you can share your message directly to your Facebook fans and Twitter followers. When you're done, click the Next button. At the left side of the Send Options page, you can choose to send to different segments. When you click on the drop-down menu, you can see there are a few options. Usually, I will recommend you choose All Subscribers, because you definitely want every single one of your subscribers to see your email. But once again, it's up to you to choose who to send to. And then, you can choose to include or exclude the other lists in your account. Right below the table of your lists, you can see there are two options. First, track clicks on website links in this message. It's highly recommended to tick on this option, because you will know how many clicks on the link in your email. The second option is Email Me when quick stats are available. This is an optional step. You can choose to disable it if you do not want to receive the email. If you do not need to schedule this email for later, you can save message and send it immediately. But if you need to send this later, move on to the right side of the page. You will see the Scheduler. This is the feature that enables you to send your email on a specific date and time. Turn this on and you'll see a calendar. Select the date you wish to send your email, and then you'll see a pop-up box on that date. Select the send time. For example, select the time zone to Eastern Time, change the send time to 9 in the morning, and click on the Set button. Click on the Schedule and Queue for button at the bottom. And there you go. You've just scheduled an email to be sent later.